Welcome to the installation guide for the AquaTru On-Wall Bottle Filling Water Purifier. This video will guide you through each step of the process. Note, for the product warranty to apply, this product must be installed by a licensed plumber. Let's start with what's included in the box. Inside, you'll find the main body with chiller cabinet, the bottle filler, mounting bracket, the filter, drain tube, machine screws, the manual. Filter, drain tube, and hardware are located on the outside of the styrofoam surrounding the bottle filler. Do not discard with box. Make sure you have all these components before beginning the installation. You'll need the following tools for the installation: drill, screwdriver, level, measuring tape, a Torx T20 bit, adjustable wrench. First, prepare your installation site. Measure and mark the location for the unit, ensuring it's level and at the correct height. Find the center line of where you want to install the unit. There are drawings available online and in the manual that show the location of the mounting point relative to the drain line, water supply valve, and electrical outlet. Measure 43.5 inches up from the floor and make a marking for ADA compliance. Adjust this height if necessary. Review the existing plumbing fittings and reference the drawing included on page 11 of the manual. Next, attach one wall anchor and hang the bracket from that point. Level the bracket and mark all other mounting holes. Remove the bracket and prepare the other anchor points. Reinstall the bracket and secure all fasteners. Hang the cooler unit on the bracket. Remove the front panel by undoing the two T20 screws located just under the front panel. Use the two wall anchor holes to securely attach the chiller cabinet to the wall. Next, connect the water supply to the inlet solenoid. Place the bottle filler on top of the cooler cabinet, ensuring the installation tabs line up with their respective holes. Carefully route any electrical connectors and tubing through the cooler cabinet. Make the plumbing connections by finding the 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch elbow connector nylon tubing and connecting it to the steel connection point underneath the tank. Then, make the electrical connection by plugging the two cable harness connectors together. Bolt the bottle filler portion to the chiller cabinet using the attachment points shown in the manual. 2 screws can be found on the front of the device and 2 can be found along the back of the chiller cabinet. Locate the 12-inch drain tube and screw it onto the threaded connector. Install the P-trap, trimming the drain tube to length if necessary. Remove the filter from its carton and remove the yellow protective cover from the filter manifold before inserting the filter into the manifold. Remove the wrapping and protective caps and 1/4 turn it into position. Line up the molded arrows at the top of the filter with the markings on the filter manifold. Turn on the water supply and check for leaks. Dispense water until there are 20 bottles counted, about 10 liters. This is done to flush out any extra carbon dust from the filter. To prevent flooding, the device stops dispensing after 20 seconds. Dispense water from the device and check again for leaks. The factory sets the thermostat to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, plus or minus 5 degrees under normal conditions. To adjust the temperature, refer to the sticker found next to the temperature control valve located near the compressor and cold tank. Reinstall the front panel and secure it using the 2 screws on the bottom. The AquaTru Pro features a user-friendly display panel. The bottles saved counter tracks the number of 16-ounce bottles this device has prevented from entering a landfill. The filter life indicator consists of 6 LEDs showing the remaining capacity of the filter. More illuminated lights mean more time and volume remaining in your filter. When the filter life nears capacity, the lights will turn orange, indicating it's time to reorder filters. When the filter capacity is completely used up, the words "Change Filter" will illuminate in red. And that's it. Your AquaTru On-Wall Bottle Filler water purifier is now installed and ready to use. For more information or assistance, visit our website or contact our support team. Thank you for choosing AquaTru.